Hello, Victory Village, and welcome to another episode of TwannaYvette Beauty. I am your host, TwannaYvette, and for the next few minutes, I am going to be talking about the infamous Tim Norman case. I got some news from one of my subscribers via Instagram, and thank you guys so much for hanging in there with me. I appreciate it. I wish we had more information, but it seems like this case is really intricate and it's gonna be dragged out, to the full length. Like, I'm not even kidding. So, according to the information that I got, Terica Ellis has been through several attorneys. I don't know why, but as far as looking on this information, you can see the timeline of Terica Ellis's attorneys starting from 8/18/2020. She had Broca L. Morrison, and then we go to 12/01/20, Michelle L. Monahan. And then we go to 11/20/20, Colleen C. Lang. And then we go to 8/11/2020, St. Louis Federal Public Defender. Then we move on up to 8/02/2021, William J. Eckes. I hope I'm saying your name right. Please forgive me if I butchered your name, but William J. Eckes. And then after William, on 8/20/20, there was Angie E. Danis. And then on 8/20/20, we also got Gwendolyn Eleanor Carroll. But then on 10/07/2020, we got David A. Bruns. This is the complete list of attorneys for Terica Taneisha Ellis. It does tell you, that she's being represented by these people. One after the other, one after the other, one after the other. And right now, 8/02/2021, which is today, William J. Eckes, the Lampkin Law Firm, St. Peter's, is her attorney. I don't know, guys. I don't know what this is about. It doesn't give me any information except for, how many attorneys. Obviously, you guys can see I always bring receipts, but this is ridiculous. I don't know what is so intricate about her part of the case. But I am looking through my pacer. Let's see if I can get a docket report on this. That would be great, but I probably can't. I don't have enough information on that. But Broca L. Morrison, is there a date on this? Okay, represented by. Again, this is the same list that you're looking at right here. Pending courts, murder for hire conspiracy, highest offense level opening, which is felony, terminated counts, none, highest offense level terminated, none, complaints, conspiracy to use interstate commerce facilities in commission of murder for hire resulting in death. And so the plaintiff is listed as the United States of America. And the docket list is full. I mean, they have been going through it with this case since last year. There's not a lot of movement going on for 2021, but as you can see, there is so much going on in 2020 when this whole thing blew wide open. It is ridiculous how much information is being posted. A lot of this stuff is repetitive though, like, I'm not even kidding. So when I get to 2021 and I open up one of the the cases, I don't get a whole lot of information, except for her attorneys have been switched over and over and over. And as you can see, it's like a page and a half of information on Terica T. Ellis. So let's and this is going to be like the final one, so let's look at this and see what's going on. Okay, motion for intention of time to file pretrial motions comes now. The defendant Terica T. Ellis, by and through counsel William J. Eckes, and herein files the Honorable Court a motion for extension of time under which to file pretrial motions. Okay, motion filing is presently set for August 30th, 2021, and we know that Tim, I'm going to stop right there and commentate. We know that Tim, his is going a little bit further than that because we already, covered. He's going through stuff with his new attorney. They want to pull everything through a fine-tooth comb. There won't be any movement on, Tim's updated case for the public until probably September. I would hope that everyone involved besides Tim would actually get to go before Tim, and then Tim would be the grand finale. That I really hope that everyone else would get their trial before Tim. That's what I really mean to say, because Tim should be the grand finale. He's the mastermind. And it would make sense for the jury to hear all these other testimonies come forth before, Tim would stand trial, if he's even going to take the stand. I don't know, guys. It's just kind of sticky, and I know that they're trying not to leave any stone unturned. I get that. For the public, for us, it's open and shut. Tim was the mastermind. He hired, these people to play different roles to get the job done. But there's so much evidence out there that we don't know and won't know until the trial. And there's so much information that we're probably missing as the public because, they haven't released a bunch of this stuff. So we're really going to have to, wait and see what happens. Anyway, earlier today, counsel has reached out to the government regarding the recent change in attorney in order to gain as much insight into the case as possible. Okay, counsel respectfully requests that motions in this matter be due no earlier than November 30th, 2021. So that just blew my theory out of the water because I was thinking September. In order for counsel to complete any investigation needed, review any and all forensic material, and any audio or video evidence in the possession of the government. Wherefore, for the above stated reasons, counsel requests that this honorable court grant defendant's motion for an extension of time to file motions. Okay, respectfully submitted, the Lampkin Law Firm, and this is who's representing Terica Ellis, by way of William J. Eckes. Okay, again, I mean, seriously, it's gonna like really get drunk. Listen, this is getting dragged out to the point where I don't even know if the trials are going to start this year, because they have really taken it, to the limit. And I only have information on Terica and Tim, and I've already done the, Tim update. So this is the Terica update. Thanks that I got, a tip through, you guys are awesome, through Instagram. If you're not connected on Instagram to me, get connected, because I do listen to you guys, and I totally appreciate all the tips and stuff, and all the leads, and even the theories that we come up with. I think it's so cool. And some of you guys come up with stuff that I didn't even think of, because to tell you the truth, I was so focused on Tim that I didn't even think to look into the others. So now I've got to look into everybody that, is involved, and to see if there's any updates on, the rest of the participants in this case. So shout out to my subscribers. You guys are bomb. I love you guys so much. Thank you for the heads up. But these are the only two documents that I actually have. And this first document, again, was just stating who her defendant is now. And then the other one is the motion to file for an extension of time. So it looks like, and it doesn't say if the judge has granted this. Okay, I'm looking at it. I hereby certify that on August 2nd, 2021, the foregoing was filed electronically with the clerk of the court to be served by operation of the court's electronic filing system upon the following: Miss Gwendolyn Carroll and Miss Angie Dennis, Assistant United States Attorney. And again, this is by William J. Eckes, which is Terica Ellis's new attorney. And what was it, September? No, it was November. Tim was September. Terica is now November. And I'm talking November 30th. They want this extended to then. So if everything goes as planned, his case might start before everyone else's. But I'm still hopeful that his counterparts in this would go first, so we could better understand, and the jury can hear, you know what I mean? And then, Tim's, case starts, or we go into it. Hopefully Tim will take the stand. I'm hoping all of them will take the stand, but it's a toss-up, because sometimes when you're convicted of murder and stuff, we've seen this on How to Get Away with Murder, we've seen stuff like this on other television shows, CSI, if you're a CSI Criminal Intent fan, and all of that, sometimes they don't take the stand, but they have a lot of eyewitnesses and different people, and we just don't know how this is going to go because we don't have enough information. But I am glad that you guys are on it, just like me. A shout out to everyone else, and if anyone else that is a content creator that is following the Tim Norman case, feel free to use my video as a reference, because I know everybody's looking for information. I use Pacer, as you can see, so I'm not mad at all if you refer back to this, because I'm getting my information from Pacer without sharing my personal information. But you know what I'm saying? This is just, I don't know. Terica, let me know in the comments what you guys think about Terica T. Ellis. I would love to hear your theory and your thoughts. Last year when we first started this, a lot of you said that Terica was just being used by Tim, and she really didn't have any idea what she was getting herself into, while others of my subscribers were saying she had every eye open and she knew exactly what she was doing, and she was just looking at the payout, which wasn't a whole lot. A lot of these people didn't get a lot of money, and I think for me, if I'm speculating here, Tim was looking at who can I hire for the least amount of money. He wasn't looking for people who were super smart within the criminal, sector or whatever. It was about who can I hire to do this small thing, for the smallest amount of money. But again, that's just my theory. So I don't know. I'm interested in knowing what you guys think. So don't forget to hit me up in those comments below so that we can talk about this. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I wish I had more information, but as soon as I am updated, I will definitely let you guys know what's going on. So thank you so much for tuning in. I will stay on top of this story. You guys have a great rest of your day. Bye for now.